Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your identity with Intuit step by step clearly. To verify your identity with Intuit, start by visiting the official Intuit website. Log into your Intuit account using your email and password. Once logged in, navigate to the Settings menu. Look for the option labeled Verify Identity or Identity Verification. Click on that option to begin the process. You may be prompted to enter your phone number for account verification. Provide a valid phone number where you can receive a verification code. After submitting your phone number, check your device for a text message or call. Retrieve the verification code sent by Intuit. Enter the code in the designated field on the website. If prompted, answer security questions that may be related to your account. These questions are designed to confirm your identity. Once you have successfully answered the questions, click on the Continue button. Follow any additional instructions provided on the screen. You may need to upload a form of identification for further verification. If required, scan or take a photo of your ID and upload it as instructed. After completing all necessary steps, wait for a confirmation message from Intuit. This may take a few minutes, so be patient. Once verified, you will receive a notification indicating your identity has been confirmed. You can then return to your Intuit account with peace of mind. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel